The Department of Science and Technology is stepping into the AI space with a homegrown chatbot designed to keep government data secure while making information more accessible to Filipinos. Mobile journalist Fatima Baduria has the report.
The Department of Science and Technology is developing a Filipino version of an artificial intelligence-powered chatbot. The natural language interface called Itanong is a database that aims to make information accessible and secure to Filipinos.
What we are offering is a secure and accessible way for users of any stature, regardless kung technical ka or hindi, to have access to sensitive and private data within the organization without exposing yung mga data na yon.
He says that unlike popular commercial models, Itanong protects sensitive information from being used for AI training. Adoptante says they will prioritize the deployment of the chatbot for the use of government agencies and local government units. This allows employees to search through internal PDFs, Excel sheets, and Word documents using natural conversation.
And the best thing about Itanong, I guess, would be you can chat it sa language na gusto mo. English, Tagalog, or Filipino, and then even yung tinatawag nating Taglish, yung mixed na so naiintindihan niya yung context na regardless kung ano yung tinatanong. And it is grounded, yung sagot niya, hindi siya nag-hallucinate.
While there is yet to be a clear timeline for a full public release, the team is currently conducting demos with stakeholders. The system is designed to have separate data channels for different departments, ensuring that one agency cannot access the private files of another. Adoptante says they will also bolster cybersecurity measures to prevent data breaches and hacking incidents.
We're currently establishing partnerships, so hopefully by next year, nakapag-deploy na kami into multiple agencies na in the government.
Itanong is part of DOST's projects under its National AI Center for Research and Innovation, which was launched last week. Kapatid Fatima Baduria, we are One News.